Is he afraid?
How do you know?
I knew it. I don't know what it is. What type of freight? I don't know what it is. Maybe oil or an auto or an actual freight or something like that. Let me see what it is. These auto racks are kind of empty today. There are no cars out here. So yeah. All these auto racks. All these autos. All the auto racks. All these autos. These are the auto cars. There's using oil. Let's cut one oil. Use the oil right there. I'm going to cut the oil there. Use the other oil. Use the oil there. Ooh, wow. Goodbye. How many freights are?
4 engines, right?
Yeah.
Total 79 cars, including the 4 engines.
And some oil
And
cans.
some oil cans.
Some autos. How many are the empty autos?
A lot.
I will see you in about a few minutes. Bye.